few months. I was scheduled to do a lot of different things that I didn't want to miss. So I figured I'd just fight through the discomfort and that's it. I'm usually able to handle pain pretty well, but the lack of motion was giving me the problems. Well, predominantly the lack of range of motion and some pain when I got it too far. No, I just pushed through them and did them. Didn't stop me from driving, and it's the left side, so I don't go bowling. I'm a right-hander, so a lot of stuff wasn't affected because I am right-handed. Not really treated, but just kind of dealt with it. I put up with 2 bad knees for a very, very long time, and I still, to my amazement, don't understand why I waited so long. If you got a problem, get it taken care of. You're not getting medals hung on you for putting up with discomfort over your life. And for us, we don't know when that's going to be. So let's make it as good as you can be for as long as you got. Actually, I enjoyed all the people here. They put up with me, which is one thing, and because I'm kind of a joker. And it was just input. I just when I'd work with Kyle or Colton or anybody like that, and I told them, I said, if my eyes suddenly pop open, you've reached 8 on my pain scale, and they did that a couple times, but they knew what to look for, so it was not that bad. Well, I wanted to get back a certain range of motion and a series of procedures that I could continue that would make it better for me at home that I could continue. Oh yeah, I've got a whole list of exercises, and I've made some of my own exercise equipment, out of things that you wouldn't normally expect, and weights out of milk bottles and things of that nature. But if you need it, you make it, and you don't have to go out and buy all that gym stuff. There's a lot of things around the house you can use.